Hello everyone, I'm back with another exciting video. In this video, I'm going to make tell you some new project which is based on the NLP, and this project is a job recommendation system, and it's an extension of my previous one. The previous project was my job scanner, in which you have to upload your resume and it will give the output of whatever the job category, whether it is data science, data analyst, Python developer, SQL developer, and so on, whatever that one. So in this video, it's an extension of that project, and in its this project is also an end-to-end project. And in this project, the theme is you have to give the name of the whatever the job post you want to apply, and it will recommend top 10 job as per your search, which is similar to your job post. So those who don't know about my last video, I will quickly show you the my last video, which and the project, so you can relate from there and uh, do it your own. So firstly, I want to share the screen, and this is my current project, and here is the module, all the models, and the CSV files, and here you can see that the CSV files look like this. This is the CSV files. I hope no one can understand these values. Matha pichi hai. So firstly, I want to show you my last project. For that, I have to go here and write. This is my last project. Built a resume scanning web app with Python. You can easily understand this. The concepts are too easy to understand. So let me show you the uh, my notebook. For that, I have to go there. This is the notebook. At the first line of code, I have imported all the necessary library which I have used here, and some are in the below section. Then I have read the CSV file here, and the DF is this one. The raw containing the 84,090, and the column is 23. The rows are too much high, because at the point when I was when I was training the similarity score, making the similarity score, the machine got error, and the error was short of storage, because when the machine tried to get a similarity score, whatever the rows it is, it will take to the RAM and function that and make a similarity score in a same point of time, and it needs some high frequency RAM, but my RAM storage is 2000 2 GB, sorry, 8 GB, and it needs 28 GB. So that's why I have to remove some rows and take some only the 10,000 rows to function my model. So in the next line of code, I have taken and I have seen all the info, so that I decide which column I have to take and which column I have to remove, whether it is a null value, missing value, or duplicated value, whatever it. So luckily, I have taken only the three column, which is title and job description and the salary account. I haven't used the salary column, but I have just taken whether in the future, in my upcoming videos, maybe I will use the salary column because it is the extension of the next previous one, and maybe in the future I will extend it more. So in the next line of code, new DF, I have taken only the three column called title, job description, and the salary. The new DF is like this. It has 84,090 column, 90 rows. And the next line of code, I have taken only the 10,000 because of the space error. Then I have imported the NLTK library and Porter stammer and stop words so that I will stop the stop words. Then again, I have imported the RE, random expression, regular expression, sorry. And the next line of code, I made a function. The functions work as I will give all the uh, rows to this function, and it will give me the well cleaned function. Its work as washing powder Nirma, washing powder Nirma. So in the clean, I will give the text, and then the if part will execute. And if get any error in the if part, the else will execute. And whatever the text is as it is, I will take. So in the first line, the clean, I use the regular expression dot sub, in which I have removed all the necessaries like links and at the rate and so on, whatever the stuff is, and join with space. In the next line of code, whatever the line I have taken from this line of code, it will go to this line and make it the lower in case. And in the next line, the word tokenization will happen, and it will tokenize all the words of that rows. And then in the last line, it will work as it will stem the words, and for words in this clean, if the word not in the stop words dot word English, it will remove all the stop words here, and then after that, after removing all the stuff junks, it will give me the it will join and returns me with space. So I have used this function to my both the column title and job description. Then I have made a new column, which is the addition of titles and the job description in the last column, new column. Basically, it's I have operated the joint operation here. And then in the next line of code, I have used TFID vectorizer and Poisson similarity. So TFID vectorizer will fit to this, and it will give the matrix in my new column. So it will vectorize the if site is equal to 1 in the line and then um, direction is 2, and knowledge is 3, so on. In similarity, it will give the similarity scores of matrix, and you can understand that the similarities work like graph 2D graph, like that point in the 2D graph, and the distance between the two point from origin, and the angle between them is called similarity of that 2 point, and the job will predicts on the base of the similarity score. So it's a NumPy array of the similarity scores like this, and then the brain of the project, which is recommendations, how it will work. So the function is, I made a function of a recommendation which gives a title. The user gives a title to the recommendation, and whatever the user will give the title, the user give title here, and whatever the title, if it is equal to in the title, it will extract the index value. It means in my sample df, if the suppose that if the user gives me uh, data science, so here the user gives me the data science, and if the sample df contains the data science title, so extract that index, and the zeroth index of that data science of that category, and then after extracting the index value, the let's take the rows of that index. So for getting the location, I use the get lock of idx, so that it will give me the rows of that index. Then I have sorted and use the list and enumerate function in the similarity scores. It will give to the similarity, and whatever the rows I have taken from this, it will take this, and key is equal to lambda x colon x of 1, and the reverse is equal to true, and I need only the 10 rows. So after getting the 10 rows from here, and then I made a null list, which is initially it's empty, and then for I in distance in this rows, I in distance, I will append all whatever the 10 values I got from here, I will append to the job in this list, and after that I will extract and return to the job. So here we can see that the recommendation, this function, here the function and the title is administrator assist office office team. I don't know what is the whether it's this job is exist or not, or I don't know. But since my data set is very low, only the 10,000, and so it will give a decent output, 10 output, and which the three are same and the last two are same. So if I will give 82,000 data, it will work as fine as per the user need. But since the data set is too low and my RAM is too slow and the too short of storage, that's a decent project for till now. And in the upcoming future, I will create a new project for job recommendation, so that the accuracy will high, and maybe that time the work will good or not. So then after the next line of code, I have just removed this. I have imported the pickle so that I will dump the df files, df, and then the pickle dot dump the similarity score. So this is as per the developer point of view. Whatever the what is the user point of view, for that I have made a website. Here you can see that the website is like this one, app.py. I have made this website using Streamlit. So I have made a website only using the 31 line of code. So firstly, I have imported the Streamlit, then Pandas, and then Pickle. For Pickle I have for loading the files. I mean models. Then I made a recommendation, df recommendation, and the title, the this one. I have just copy pasted this one here, and it will give me the job description. And now come to the website application. For website application, I have written a title called the job recommendation app, and the title is equal to st.select box. I made a select box in which the search job is here. Search job is available, and what is the search job is df ka title column. I will take the title column from here using df, and then job is equal to recommendation title. It means job is equal to recommendation, and this title will go here, and the job. And if the job is equal to whatever the job output I will get from here, the top 10 job post, I will write to the my Streamlit website. So let's see in the application how it works. This is the website localhost 8501, and here is the search box. Job recommendation system here is written, and initially it will give a job recommendation of this. So let me change some. Clerk accountant. Let's search and boom. It's give me the output of similar job, and two are similar, then two are similar, then four are similar. Okay, nine. Okay, give me decent output, but since the data set is too low, so the accuracy is not that much good as I expected. So that's well and good. I got some idea while making this project how to make a job recommendation system, and if I will get the chance in the near future, I will definitely make a new job recommendation system which works at least better than this website. So if you like this project, try it your own and make and handle all the errors. Maybe your RAM is much good as compared to me, and your output will get more accuracy. Um, and try it your own and learn some new concepts. So for that, I will stop here, and hope you will enjoy. You have enjoyed a lot from this project, and thank you.